Assalamu Alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today I want to share something very special. A real-life experience from my own journey that completely changed my life. By the mercy of Allah, I received blessings that I could never have imagined. My life transformed in unbelievable ways, and the reason behind it was a very powerful act mentioned repeatedly in the Qur'an and Hadith. And what is that? It is Sadaqah, spending in the path of Allah, giving charity, helping others, and offering a qardi hasana, a goodly loan to Allah. Allah says in the Qur'an, who is it that will lend Allah a goodly loan? Can you imagine? Allah is asking you to give Him a loan? Subhanallah. What does it mean to give a loan to Allah? It means helping the creation of Allah, feeding a hungry person, quenching the thirst of a thirsty soul, paying someone's debt, supporting a poor family, being a source of ease to someone struggling, spending selflessly in the way of Allah. Allah says repeatedly in the Qur'an, spend from what we have provided you. The Qur'an emphasizes spending, not saving, hoarding, or accumulating wealth. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, treat your sick ones with charity, because in Sadaqah there is immense spiritual power. Sadaqah cools down the anger of Allah, brings us closer to Him, and fills our lives with blessings and protection. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also swore an oath and said, charity does not decrease wealth. In fact, it increases it. It brings barakah. It expands your rizq. It opens doors that were closed. I have personally experienced this many times in my life. Whenever I went through intense financial hardship, when I had nothing, I gave in the path of Allah, and Allah returned it to me multiplied, far beyond my needs. Allah blessed me in ways I never expected. Because the Qur'an is not only a holy book, it is also full of life hacks, practical guidance for success. Those who spend in the way of Allah are among the most beloved people to Him. On the Day of Judgment, one of the honored groups under the throne of Allah will be those who spent generously in His path. Remember, whatever we give was given to us by Allah in the first place. What is the big deal in returning a small portion to Him? If you want financial strength, if you want barakah in your income, if you want your problems solved, start giving charity regularly. Because if you spend on Allah's creation, Allah will spend on you. If you take care of Allah's people, Allah will take care of you. There is a beautiful story. Once a beggar asked a righteous man for help. The man gave him everything he had in his pocket. Someone standing nearby mocked him and said, why did you give him so much? He didn't even deserve it. He just robbed you. The old man smiled and replied, I wish someone would rob me every day for the sake of Allah.
Don't overthink who deserves and who doesn't. Today, inflation is high, life is tough, and many silent, respectable families are suffering. If you can't find someone obvious in need, help whoever you can. And surprisingly, even non-Muslim economists have researched that people who give charity end up wealthier in the future. Psychology and business studies confirm what Qur'an and Sunnah taught us centuries ago. When you give, you grow. So trust Allah, spend for His sake, and watch how He opens doors of rizq, ease, success, and happiness. Take a challenge. Start giving charity consistently for 1 year. Mark your calendar today and see how Allah transforms your life. Give for Allah, live for Allah, and enjoy the blessings from Allah. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah.